Experience the magic of New York City at night with a combined bus and walking tour that showcases the city's iconic landmarks and neighborhoods in their illuminated splendor. Board a comfortable bus and embark on a guided tour that takes you through the charming streets of Manhattan, lit up with dazzling lights. Marvel at the illuminated skyscrapers, historic landmarks, and vibrant neighborhoods as you ride through the city in the comfort of the bus. Avoid the hassle of navigating the crowded streets and subways on your own, and save time as you cover more ground with the convenience of a guided bus tour. Make stops for guided walking tours of two iconic attractions, the High Line and Grand Central Terminal. Explore the elevated park known as the High Line, a unique urban park built on an abandoned elevated railway track. Admire the beautifully designed gardens, art installations, and city views as you stroll along this elevated oasis in the heart of Manhattan. Next, step inside the iconic Grand Central Terminal, a historic transportation hub known for its Beaux-Arts architecture and stunning celestial ceiling. Learn about the terminal's history, architecture, and secrets as you explore its magnificent interior during a guided walking tour. Throughout the tour, listen to informative commentary from your knowledgeable guide who will share interesting facts and stories about the city's history, architecture, and landmarks. As you journey through the city at night, you'll have ample opportunities to capture stunning photos of the city's landmarks and neighborhoods illuminated against the night sky, creating unforgettable memories of your New York City experience. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the enchanting ambience of the city that never sleeps on this combined bus and walking tour of New York City at night.